in today's episode, we're gonna be washing this K5 Blazer for the first time in 30 years.
So if you stick around to the end, we've included all of our outtakes and bloopers and tomfoolery from this episode. So y'all check it out. Give us a like, give us a follow, give us a subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you on the next one.
Who's Tom?
All right, so when you're working with a vehicle this old, you're not really worrying about damaging the paint or damaging the vehicle when you're washing it, but you want to be careful. So anytime you're working with a pressure washer, I recommend you use a 40-degree nozzle on there so you're not putting as much pressure on the vehicle and you're ripping off the paint. We're just going to go ahead and pressure wash what we can off, and then next we're going to come up, follow with a foam cannon to get some lubricant going, and then we'll use our mitt and wash everything off. So let's do that now. Here we go. Got a little messy. Yeah, it's everywhere. Look at this layer that's coming off right here. You can just clearly see on this glass the difference. Fill it up. We're gonna fill it up. I think it's gonna work now. As long as we put a little water in the gas tank.
All right, so now that we sprayed this thing off, man, it looks 10 times better.
Man, it feels like you washed on a new paint job.
Yeah.
And you're not even done.
No, we're not done. We're about to spray foam this thing and really get it cleaned up, so let's do that now.
All right, come on, guys.
All right, we got this thing all foamed up, so it's got some nice lubrication on there. And now we're not really worried about scratching the paint. Just gonna use a scrub brush and try to get off any grime that we've got on this vehicle off. So we're gonna do that now. Way better. We're gonna rinse it off for the last time now. Get all this soap and grime off.
What if we had more cowbell?
Whoa, 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 whoa. I need more cowbell. No, 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 no. No, Russell. I'm talking about like this.
Chase,
What?
you like it?
Yeah. But I think we need more cowbell.
Jesus God. You ever seen somebody wash a car so well? Look, in the background back there, you can see him being out of pocket. Is that what we call that? Out of pocket or very strange? He's an odd duck. Hey, threatening to spray me. He got it real clean though. Showroom quality clean. No, it actually, you can see it wet and give you an idea of what it would look like with some clear coat. The paint's not that shiny, but it looks nice, and it's gonna look nice with some clear. Even keeping the patina on it, it looks pretty dang good considering how long it's been sitting and how old the vehicle itself is. You got soap coming off the roof still. And that was his mission, is to make sure he got all that soap off the top first so he didn't have to double rinse. And now he's having a double rinse, and he didn't wash the engine off yet. So we're gonna have to wash the engine off, and that might splash stuff out on the outside, and then we're gonna have to wash the outside again. But it's okay, because it looks like it's making him happy. And that's our motto, do what makes you happy.
All right, so in my foam cannon here, I mixed up some degreaser and some soap. So that way the soap just lets it stick on the surface. The degreaser, it can do its job a little bit longer. So that's what we're doing.
What do you think about how it turned out?
I think it looks good. I do want to try one thing. I want to take a little section, dry it off. I'm not going to wet sand it or anything. I just want to hit it with some one and done compound to see what it turns out like. Because I think it looks shiny while it's wet. It's going to dry out. It's going to be, you know, a flat color. So I think if I hit it with a buffer real quick, we can see what the patina is going to look like, and we can have a better decision on if we're going to paint it or if we're going to leave it patina.
We already know the patina's gonna look good. He just wants to do it to satisfy himself.
I just want to see how good it's going to look because I know it's going to look good. This is a perfect candidate for a patina job.
I want to paint it primer gray.
We're not painting this thing primer gray.
Nardo gray? Oh my God.
We can paint the whole truck
No.
Nardo gray.
No, I'm joking, buddy.
Or whatever gray it is. I really do.
I'm being as difficult and as much of a smartass as possible.
We're both good at that.
Yeah, I feel like I've learned from the best.
We're just gonna put some of this on here. Oh, we're about out. Put a bunch on there. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at this, just a dirty ass rag. We're not even really worried about it. And this is no wet sanding, nothing. Just some one and done compound. But look at the difference.
I mean, you can clearly see a difference.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy. I think wet sanding and a little wax, because this is just compound. I think you could do wax now. I want to try something. I'm gonna try, it looks pretty good. That looks really, really good. I'm gonna add a little wax. This paint is old. You can see it's coming off still on this rag, so it would probably help if we wet sanded it with a, what do you think, Russell, 600?
No. Like
Not that, that's too
12.
much? 1200?
Yeah,
Just to knock it down?
or more.
Don't go too crazy?
No, 6 is what you would want to use if you were going to spray clear. That's why you started with 6 on old Mac.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Because
But we
your
would probably
initial
spray,
plan was to spray clear.
we'll probably spray this one too. Dang, look where that, it dripped on there. Don't do that. Dang, that wax is like a cleaner wax.
Well, there's a lot of moisture in here too, so.
Yeah, I don't think the wax was the ticket. I think it looks pretty good though. Dang,
Like
now I
it?
want to fix this. 'Cause it looks
Stop.
bad. Stop messing with it?
Stop.
All right, I'll stop messing with it. But it looks good. What do you think?
And you picked the driest thing on the truck.
The hood is the driest thing.
Yeah. Like if you would have done the side down here, it would have polished up a lot more.
Y'all want to see what it is?
No! Stop. We could be here all day. We got to do.
All right, guys. Well, this
It
vehicle.
does look nice.
It does look nice. It does.
Let's go ahead and polish the whole thing.
He just said we had stuff to do.
I'm just being chased.
We got to eat. I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
All right, let's go get something to eat. But man, I say this is a wrap.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. You happy? What do you think?
So you ready to sell it?
No, we're
Let's
not.
get rid of it. I got a buyer coming today. I've
We
already
could-
talked to him.
we
He's
could
bringing
probably-
a trailer.
We could probably have a couple buyers if we said this thing's for sale. But I don't think it's going to be for sale. I think we're actually going to.
Looks good on that corner.
It does look good on that corner. I think we're going to keep this thing. What do you think?
I think we're going to turn it into a 4-wheel drive.
I don't think we're turning this super rare 2-wheel drive K5 Blazer into a 4-wheel drive.
It would be funny just to do it to people off.
And just leave it 2-wheel drive. Don't.
We should Photoshop it for
We should.
TikTok.
We should lift it up.
For TikTok, we should go ahead and Photoshop it.
what we're
4-wheel
gonna
drive
do.
conversion is underway.
People be so mad. All right, guys. Well, appreciate you watching this video. Russell did some handy dandy camera work.
Did it make you happy?
It made me happy. Hell yeah. Hey, you do what makes you happy and put a smile on your face because this did.
If you do what makes you happy, you're going to feel better about yourself at the end of the day. That's how I feel. I get to do what I enjoy, and it makes me happy.
All right. We'll see y'all on the next one.
Holla!
Bye. Hey, real quick, I'm not done yet. Will you hit that like and subscribe button? Really helps out the algorithm and helps it to share to other people, and other people get to watch our stupid content. So if you enjoy this, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. Get washed off for the first time in 32 years, you're in the right place. So watch this video. I don't like that. What's so funny?
You were attacking
Like, you watch this video right now.
this guy behind me. This blazer. You watch this video.
Watch it get washed.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the journey. And today we're gonna try to wash off one first. Remember that if we hit one, you need to be looking right if you're not talking.
I'm always looking around. Ready?
No, I moved over. You ready? Go.
Go. Is it your turn?
No, it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn. All right, guys. If you want to see us wash this, okay. What's going on, guys? We're today.
If you don't like Big Red, then you.
Who drinks Big Red? Can I be this way now?
Yeah.
Oh, I hit my finger. Golly, look what I did. Golly. Oh, I want to pull that off. Oh, it hurts. Oh, shit. Damn, I'm bleeding now. Look at this. This is what happens. All right, here we go.
Chase. Chase.
Oh, wait, I don't need to look at the camera, sorry.
How am I supposed to go crazy?
Go crazy.
Somebody just pull up? No, they're across the street.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I need more cowbell. I think that was it.